everyone, welcome to Daily Dose of Chinese. Yesterday, we learned the opening sentence you can use at the train ticket counter in China. Today, let's learn one key sentence for buying a high-speed rail ticket. After you show your passport, you can say 要一张，明天上午10点半左右，从北京南站出发，到西安北站的2等座高铁票。谢谢。In this sentence, 要 means want or need or would like. Here's what you are telling the ticket clerk. First, the number of tickets. 一张，张 is the measure word for 票, ticket. Second, the date. 明天, which means tomorrow. Third, the time. 10点半左右, which means around 10:30. 左右 means around, so it gives flexibility and helps the clerk find the closest train. Next, you clearly say from where to where. 从北京南站出发，到西安北站。From Beijing South Station to Xi'an North Station. 从什么什么到什么什么 is the structure from blah blah to blah blah. 出发 means set off. This is important because many cities have more than one train station, so you need to confirm your departure and arrival stations. Then, choose the seat class you want. 2等座 Second class. This is the most common class for high-speed rail ticket. 座 means seat. You can also switch it to 一等座 First class, or 商务座 Business class. 高铁 means high-speed rail. Finally, don't forget to say 谢谢 at the end. It means thank you. That's it for today. Save this video and follow Daily Dose of Chinese for more practical survival Chinese. See you tomorrow.